Wah! We are going to make a personality card. I'm going to take you through the journey to see what that looks like. First, everything launches from our Schoology folder. So you will see here, I'm going to scroll down to my folder. First off, I have your pictures. When you click on this link, it's going to take you to a folder that looks like this. And you're going to want to download your photo and your image. And remember, you do not have permission to use any other person's picture. So just leave those alone. On a Chromebook, which I'm on right now, I'm going to hold down the Alt key to the left of the space bar and click once. And I'm going to, I'm going to scroll down to download. And it's going to download. Now you'll see I've already downloaded a lot of versions of this. And I can show in folder. I can see that it will have it now inside my environment and so on and so forth. Okay, it's getting me there, and you'll see I have a whole lot of Liams. I'm just going to close this out. Just know that that's how you can download things. Things are running really slow right now. You can see a whole bunch of Liams at the bottom here. Okay, good enough. So I have downloaded the picture, and I have access on my Chromebook to do that. Next thing, I need to click on the link to make the card. So right here it says create a personality card and email it to Mr. Leduc. It didn't say Mr., it just said Leduc. And so here we are. The instructions are in here, and you can read through these. But the most important thing is looking at this template, because the content over here is going to help you. So where do you put your why? What drives you? What is your why? Where's that going to go? It's going to go under traits. I want 3 different things under this text thing, and we'll see where that goes. Then where your top 3 shapes go will be under flavor text. And then artist will be your goal for the class. All right, so we're going to take a look, and then you'll see it looks something like this. Now, let's go in and click on the link. So the link is at the top here. We click this. It takes us over to this. And you can see that I already have a picture of Liam here. Liam is my example. And you're going to put your first name and last name here, and your first name on how you want to be addressed in class. So if you're Robert, but you go by Bob, just put that. And the most important thing is, you'll have to fill out all the boxes it wants you to fill out. Otherwise, you can't move on to the next level, which is the card body. So in this case, you can pick blue or green or whatever, whatever color you want. And when you scroll down, again, I don't care about any of this stuff. Pick whatever you like, common, uncommon, rare, whatever. I want you to write your goal for the class right here. So there's your why, which drives you as a person. And then there's the goal for this specific class. So what is your goal for this specific class? Then we click the next button. Oh, wait, we didn't put the picture in. I mean, there's a picture here, but here's how you do it. We click here, and we've already downloaded the Liam picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for, in my drive, Liam. And right here you can see I have a whole lot of Liams. And I'm going to just hit enter. And if I type liam.jpg, it'll be more specific. And what I'm going to do is I'll pick, any one of these Liams. You can see that I've been practicing this, and I click open, and it's now going to upload Liam and put him in here. So it's already there, so I'm not going to worry about that now. Then I click the next button, and if I filled out everything the way the template wants me to fill it out, it works. Next thing, your why is going to go here. So I want you to write my why and then write out what it is. Okay. Then down here, click on Add Ability, and I want you to then fill out different things here. So this is your Myers-Briggs, but I'm going to go back to the card here and look at the sample so I can see. So the first one for abilities, I want INTJ, and then write out the percentages. And so if you're not sure what the percentages are, it's going to have like 1% introvert, 23% intuition, whatever. It's going to have a percentage next to each one of the 4 things that make up your personality type according to Myers-Briggs. So I'd like you to put that in down here. Then click another ability. And now the red box means it's just saying, hey, I didn't put anything there yet. Now for my video here, I'm not worried about it. So I'm just going to leave it blank. But for the second ability, what I want you to put in here is your career interests. So you could type the word career interests here, or just career. And let's see, let's get that lowercase. Whoa, here we go. Typing funny. I don't usually work on a Chromebook. So career, and then you can write down some options down here of what you're interested for career at this point in time. Okay. And then for ability number 3, what I want you to put in here is hobbies. So you'll write the word hobbies here, and you can see I already put that there. And then what are some of your hobbies? Just a few things is fine. At the very bottom of the screen, you'll notice that under flavor text, your 3 favorite shapes in the order of your preference. So my favorite, my second favorite, my third favorite. Then we move on to the next area. Oh yeah, and it's going to freak out here because it won't let me move on because I didn't fill out the stuff. Now I'm just going to fake it and just go over here because I had a card already preloaded. And you will see here what I wanted the card to look like. And except for the typo, which is down here, I misspelled careers. This is what it looks like. So you'd have your name, whatever type of card you pick, that's fine. This colored background is what was chosen. The Y, my Y is to be the best storyteller I can be. Here's the Myers-Briggs. Here's the percentages of each one of the 4 letters in order that you see them here. Career interests, game design, musician, hobbies, playing guitar, games, and then the 3 shapes. And in the very bottom down here, you can see it says goal for class. Now it's really tiny, but that's where your goal for the class will be. Then what you do is, again, we don't publish it. We're just going to control click on it, and we're going to copy image. We're going to go over to my email. Now I'm pretending to be you. So open up a new email, hit compose, and you're going to email it to me. My email address is sloduk@osd.wednet.edu. Okay, once you've emailed me once, you'll be able to see it like this, but that's what it is. And then I want you to title the email, my personality card, and then right down here, if you hold down the Alt key and click, you can then paste. And the card will be pasted right in there, and then send it on its way. And you will see that I've already done this once before to myself, and that's what it is. And then I have it. I'll save it for you. Once I have all of the cards from the class, I'm going to print them out on cardstock with a magic card background and so on and so forth. And I will give you a copy. And so that is the process. So hopefully this makes sense. Thanks for watching. Pause and rewind if you get stuck on something. And again, any computer you should be able to do this on. And I prefer for you to do it at home just because at school we were having some problems with too many people trying to do it at once. So do what you can. And that is it.